So on this channel, I do a lot of testing on both bicycles and electric scooters. And when I do this testing, I have a lot of gear with me, including a GoPro, Insta360 camera, my phone, a portable charging bank, and a drone. And one problem I don't want to run into while filming is running out of battery on one of these devices. The problem being is that all these devices seem to have different charging ports. But I hate carrying multiple charging cables because it feels like I'm always looking for something and I can't find it. But I'm hoping to fix that problem with a 4-in-1 charging cable that I found from coolgadget.com. So in this video, we're gonna go through the specs and details of this 4-in-1 charging cable to see if it can make my life easier and yours without having a bunch of cables lying around. So now, let's check out the xCool 4-in-1 charging cable from coolgadget.com. So the xCool charging cable is made of zinc alloy and is nylon braided. It feels really high quality and they can take a lot of damage to the cable itself. The cable that I got is the 6-foot version, but there's a 3-foot version as well. I chose the 6-foot version because to me, it's better to have too much cable than too little. Also, there's a hook and loop fastener that keeps the cable nice and tidy if you want to shorten it down. So for this cable, there's actually 4 different charging port combinations that you can do. USB-C to Apple Lightning, USB-C to USB-C, USB-A to Apple Lightning, and USB-A to USB-C. The cable uses a clever system where one side of the cable has USB-C and Apple Lightning ports, with the Apple Lightning port on the outside and the USB-C under the cover. The other side of the cable uses the same system, but on that side is the USB-A and the USB-C ports. The cover itself feels very high quality, being made of zinc alloy, and it doesn't feel like it'll break anytime soon. Another great feature is the reinforced stress points, where other cables tend to bend and break over time. And unlike a standard charging cable, the xCool cable is thick, it doesn't feel flimsy, and claims that the cable has a 100,000 bend lifespan. So according to the specs on the website, both the USB-C and Lightning connectors have both been extended by 0.2 millimeters, which allows the cable to be used with most phone cases. To test this out, I plugged the cable into both an iPhone 13 mini with a thin case, and it worked perfectly. And then I plugged into an iPhone 11 using a thick OtterBox phone case. On that phone, the cable worked perfectly as well. So I've been using this 4-in-1 cable a lot the last few weeks while testing products in my videos. And like I mentioned before, I carry a lot of gear when I'm filming. And the best part for me is that this one cable has the ability to charge my GoPro, my 360-degree camera, my drone, and my phone. In fact, the biggest use I've actually had with this is charging my phone or riding my bike, since my e-bike has a USB port in the display. This cable is very well made, has great charging speeds, and it's decluttered the stray cables I had in my recording backpack. In fact, I like it so much that I've actually started using it on my workstation, so I can go back and forth between charging my laptop and my phone. So if you have any questions regarding this cable, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great one.